My name is Kim Andersen. Come from Denmark, in the middle of Jutland in Denmark, close to the track in Brande. Yeah.
Wat al bisschen Montreal-Clan?
You want to tell about?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a superstock tractor, international superstock tractor on methanol. The engine is 9.9 liter, and there's 3 turbochargers in the box in the front, 2 smaller in the top, and a big one in the bottom. And everything runs to the rear end. There's a gearbox with a reverse and only 1 speed forward. And then there's an axle from a American truck, a Rockwell axle, and the cat gears in the wheels from a cat digging machine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is the main thing of the build, I think, or something. And what can I tell more? We run the Euro Cup this year for the 3rd year. Third year we run the Euro Cup, and with different success. But it's a hard game. A lot of the teams are many people, and spend a lot of time and money on it. Yeah. So.
No.
Yeah. Today it was going better than expected.
Thank you.
Yeah.